Hi, good morning students. Already we discussed about the DFT using DIT FFT algorithm. Okay, so in this class we discussed about the inverse DFT using DIT FFT algorithm. Okay, so here I am taking the 4-point inverse DFT problem. Then now we have to solve this problem by using DIT FFT. Okay, so already you have to know about what is meant by DIT. So DIT is the decimation in time. So the input is input is given in the bit reversal adder. So here first you have to mark the what is the value of the given data. Okay, so first you have to mark here 10 represent the capital X of 0 and X of 1, then X of 2, then X of 3. Okay, so here 4 point, here n equal to 4, so the number of stages equal to 2. Okay, the number of stages equal to 2. So here we use the trivial factor is W4 0 is equal to 1 and W4 1 equal to minus j. Already we have used that trivial factor in the normal DFT formula. Okay. Then what is the difference between normal DFT and inverse DFT by using DIT FFT algorithm means the input is given in the complex form. Okay, so if you have not given directly, you give the answer in complex conjugate form. So first you have to write the complex conjugate form. X star of 0 is equal to 10 because it is a real number. Then X star of 1 equal to here minus 2 plus 2j. So you have to complex conjugate means this data is minus 2 minus 2j. Then X star of 2. So X star of 2 equal to, it is real number. So just take it, write it. Then X star of 3. X star of 3 equal to minus 2 plus 2j. So first step you have to convert this normal X of k to X star of k. Then you have to draw the butterfly diagram. So for butterfly diagram here 4 sequences. So you have to draw the 4 horizontal lines like this. And here DIT is the bit reversal. Input is given in the bit reversal order. So you have to give X of 0, X of 2, X of 1 and X of 3. So for inverse DFT, here give the complex conjugate. This only the difference between as usual DFT and inverse DFT. Then here the 4 sequence means it is a 2 stages. You have 2 stages. First you have to split up. It is easy to understand the formulas. Okay. So this one represents the first stage. This one is the second stage. Then you have to connect the lines. Before that you have to do the order, alphabet order. So here first is you have to take the 2 points. So AB, AB, and second stage you have to represent A1, A2, B1, B2. Then you have to interconnect. Okay. So it is nothing but A to B, B to A, B to A, A to B, then A1 to B1, A2 to B2, B1 to A1 and B2 to A2. That represent the minus 1 for B line, and here also B1 and B2. Then write the trivial factors. Here trivial factor is W4 0 for B line have the trivial factor. So here 2 trivial factors. So W4 0 and W4 1. Okay. Then the data are for X star of 0. Here X star of 0 is 10. Then X star of 2 equal to minus 2. Then X star of 1 is equal to minus 2 minus 2j. Okay. So minus 2 minus 2j. And X star of 3 equal to minus 2 plus 2j. These are the butterfly diagram. First you have to draw the skeleton. After that you have to easily find out the expression. Okay. So first you have to calculate the first stage computation. So you have to find first stage computation. Here you take the 2 points order. Okay. For 2 2 point, then you take the A and B value. So for first stage, here A equal to 10, B equal to -2, and required will factor is W40 is equal to 1. Okay, then each stage you have to find. Here the butterfly diagram answer is, here A is as it is, then B is multiplied with will factor with positive answer. So A plus B W40, then here one is A, that is multiplied with -1. So B into W40. Then substitute in this equation. First one is A plus B W40. Here A value is 10 plus B value is -2 into W40 is 1. So 10 minus 2 is 8. Then A minus B W40 equal to A is 10 minus, sorry, B, then B is -2 into 1. So minus into minus plus. The first stage output is 8 and 12. You have to mark it. The first stage output is 8 and 12 because it is the input of the second value. Similarly, you have to take these 2 points A and B, find out the answer. Then next value is, next set A is equal to -2 minus 2j, B equal to -2 plus 2j. Then required will factor is W40 is equal to 1. Okay, and use that formula, find the output. So here A plus B W40 is equal to, here A is -2 minus 2j plus B is -2 plus 2j into 1. Okay, so in that equation here -2j plus 2j cancel, -2 plus -2 is -4. Next one is A minus B W40. So -2 minus 2j minus of -2 plus 2j into 1. So here -2j -2 here plus 2 cancel out, -2j is -4j. So -4 and -4j is the stage of -4. What is answer? -4 minus 4j. -4 minus 4j is the first stage output. Then we have to go for the second stage computation using similar formula, but the alphabet is 2 stages. Okay. For second stage computation, you have to take A1, A2, B1, B2. So A1 is 8, B1 is 12, A1 is 8, sorry, A2. One minute. Yeah. Then A2 equal to 12, then B1 equal to -4, then B2 equal to -4j, then 12 factor is W40 is equal to 1 and W41 equal to -j. You have to calculate. Here A1 plus B1 W40. Here A1 is 8 plus B1 is -4 into 1. So -4 means 8 minus 4 is 4. Then second one is A2 plus B2 into W41. Okay, so A2 is 12 plus B2 is -4j into W4 also -j. So here j square is -1, minus into minus plus, and here also one minus. So 12 minus 4 is 8. Then A1 minus B1 W40 equal to, here A1 is 8 minus b1 is minus 4 into 1. So minus into minus plus, so 8 plus 4 equal to 12. Then last one, a2 minus b2 w4 1. So a2 is 12 minus b2 is minus 4j and w4 is minus j. So minus into minus plus, j square 1 minus, here also 1 minus. So 12 plus 4, 16. Okay. So 4, 8, 12, 16 is the final value. 4, 8, 12, 16 is the final value. But here the data is normal order. For DIT, the input is in bit reversal order, but the output is in the normal order. So it represents x of 0, x of 1, x of 2 and x of 3. But in the case of inverse, these data are divided by 4 point means it can be divided by 4. Okay. So because n into x of, so x of n equal to 1 by 4 into 4, 8, 12, 16 and be divided means x of n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is the final answer. Okay, also got it. So you have to try for DIF also. And similarly you have to apply for DIT.